Types of birds that sound like insults, Volume 4. You creamy-bellied gnatcatcher, Himalayan vulture, you lesser necklace laughing thrush, black-breasted buzzard, you orange-breasted fig parrot, you giant cowbird, you're a helmeted guinea fowl, an imperial shag, a plum-faced lorikeet, Indo-Chinese bush lark, you Patagonian forest earth creeper, green rump parrotlet, barefaced go-away bird, you pink-legged rail, you sand partridge, you thick-billed ground pigeon, you white-bellied woodpecker, sooty bush tit, you undulated ant pitter, you black-faced wood swallow, yellow-bellied bush warbler. Thank you.